Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to the online classes from Behriya College Majid Pre-Primary Wing. I am Rubina Awan, your computer teacher for Class 1. Today we are going to learn Chapter 2 and our topic is Parts of Computer. First of all, I will tell you some objectives of the topic. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to differentiate the parts of computer, understand the functions of parts of computer, use the parts of computer, list down the parts of computer. And students will be able to do the worksheets independently. This is the computer book for Class 1. In today's lesson, you will need your geometry box, colors, and your notebook. Dear students, now it's time for previous knowledge. Can you please tell me the name of this picture? Yes, excellent. This is computer. Dear students, as we all know, our body has many parts, and the same way a computer too has many parts. Before studying the parts of computer, there is a very interesting exercise at your book page 7. Would you please take out your pencil, eraser to label the picture? Using the given words, label the body parts in the following figure. You can see head, arm, chest, knee, foot. Hurry up, students. Dear students, let's know about the parts of computer. A computer is made up of following main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. This is monitor. It looks like TV. You can see pictures and words on them. There are two types of monitor being used these days. White one on the left side is old monitor, while the black one on the right side of the picture is new monitor. Yes, you can see. This is CPU. This is the main part of computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Dear students, as our body is controlled by our brain, in the same way CPU is the brain of computer, and it controls all parts of computer. This is keyboard. Keyboard is another part of computer. Keyboard has many buttons. Keyboard buttons are called keys. These keys are used for writing on the computer, which is known as typing. Keyboard is pressed to type any number or letter. Dear students, always remember there are 101 keys on the keyboard. Dear students, would you please open your book at page 8? There is a very interesting and your favorite joining and coloring exercise. I know you love coloring. Please pause the video and listen carefully. You see, there are numbers given from 1 to 20. You just start from number 1 and keep on joining in ascending order and end joining at 20. Wow! It has become a monitor. Now you can color the picture in 5 minutes. Wow! Now we have another colorful activity to do. Open your book at page 9. Look at the numbers in the picture below. Now use given colors code to color the CPU. Respected parents, Would you please pause the video to guide your child while doing the activity? Dear students, did you enjoy coloring CPU? Yes, I hope you did. Dear students, now we have a very unique activity. You have to color the keys that have the letters of your name. For example, as you know, my name is Rubina. If I would do this activity, I will color the letters of my name. I would start coloring from letter R, U, B, I, N, A, Rubina. It will take only 3 minutes to complete this activity, but you can take your desired time. Dear students, do you remember how many keys are there on keyboard? You have to count the keys and write the answer in blank given under the keyboard. Yes, there are 101 keys on the keyboard. Dear students, are you enjoying the lesson? Yes. Let's move towards our final exercise. Open your book at page 11. What did you see? The CPU in this picture doesn't know how to reach its computer. Would you please show it the way? By using pencil, you can make a way by following open paths to CPU. Yes, you have done it. CPU says thank you, dear children. Now, it's time for some recapitulation. Students will repeat the answer with teacher while the parents will note down question answer to help their child doing their homework. Dear students, repeat with me. Computer has 4 main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Dear students, do you know what are the common features between monitor and television? Yes. In our previous class, we learned monitor and television look like same. We can see pictures and words on them. Dear students, do you know why CPU is essential for the computer to work properly? Yes, we learned today. CPU is the brain of computer. It controls all the other parts of computer. Your homework is to note down the question answer 1, 2, 3 in your computer copy, and parents will guide their child. Dear students, did you enjoy the lesson? I am sure you enjoyed. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.